In order to address the water problem that is affecting its customers in the northern parts of the island, the Water and Sewerage Company, Inc. WASCO, has announced the suspension of the northern water delivery. The planned shutdown is expected to last for a 48-hour period from Friday, March 1st to Saturday, March 2nd. At a press conference held Monday, February 19th, WASCO's Chief Executive Officer Zilta George Leslie announced at present the water supply is severely compromised due to a compromised transmission line. The pipeline, Leslie knows, is roughly 46 years old and was made of mild steel. As a result, this pipeline was compromised from the start.
That pipeline was compromised from inception because it was made of mild steel. Mild steel has deteriorated over time because of the type of material and the type of soil type that we had back then. So, of course, this results currently in very high levels of water loss. These very high levels of water loss result in us having very frequent shutdowns of the water. We will get to that at a later stage because these pipelines, of course, have to be repaired so that we can provide the customers with that supply of water.
The production, treatment and quality manager Yanis Charles says the affected pipeline is situated in the Vanna region, below ground, and has a number of leaks. The terrain of the pipe's location, the pH level of soil, the materials used to build the line, and the age of the pipe are just a few of the many factors Charles mentions as potential causes of the pipeline's erosion over time.
The first section from the junction box to Vanna is the problematic area. This is an area where we have many leaks, and as Mrs. Leslie indicated, the type of material is one of the major issues. The pipeline is mild steel, and it's over 40 years old. So really, it has exceeded its durable lifespan, and consequently, it's undergoing rapid deterioration.
WASCO's Water Services Manager Jim King began by issuing an apology to customers who have experienced inconsistencies with their water supply. King outlined proactive measures to mitigate the impact of the impending shutdown.
We're going to intensify the trucking and valving operations, and we're actually going to put boots on the ground, have persons to go into the different communities. Another thing we plan to do also is to place tanks at strategic locations where we fill these tanks with water, which is a normal part of our dry weather, or during the drought we use that system. But it's something that we're going to put in place starting from immediately.
Despite WASCO's valving and trucking efforts, inhabitants in Grand Riviere, Corinth, Casabah, Bon-Séjour, and other elevated areas have been without water for weeks. As a result, there is a growing worry among them. Water is expected to be restored at 6 a.m. on Sunday, March 3rd. WASCO says the move is to facilitate much-needed repairs to an aged and compromised water line. The result, the company hopes, will be an improved service to the public. For Choice News Now, I am Chelsea Austinay.